Forge is Autodesk's cloud development platform. The Forge platform is a set of web service APIs that you can use to build innovative, cloud-powered applications. Forge APIs help you tap into your design and engineering data, which means you can streamline and innovate how you work. Whether you want to build solutions that automate processes, connect teams and workflows, or visualize your data, the Forge platform can help you do that, and so much more. Today, companies are using Forge to build digital twins, visualize and analyze data, render photos to 3D, integrate AR and VR, create product catalogs and configurators, automate design processes, and integrate SaaS products. Forge empowers developers and innovators from concept to completion. People across industries and companies of all sizes use Forge to unlock their data, improve collaboration, and build new services to address today's connected customer. Try Forge for free today.